Hey guys, the brand sent me a free one of these drones so I can check it out. I wanted to show you how cool this thing is. Now, before we take it outside and fly it around, I wanted to run through a couple of features. Now, the first thing you're going to notice about this, it comes with a huge remote. And that's because you don't need your phone to keep your pictures on. Everything's going to be done here, which is nice for kids that may not have a cell phone. If you do want to use your cell phone, you can download the app and put it up here. You can take pictures by pressing this one and video by pressing this one. Then you're going to scroll through over here. You can see how high quality these pictures are. Now, here's how you're going to control the drone. You're simply going to unlock the motor here. There you go. You can see it turning on. Now, the camera is over here. Now, up here, you got the camera for obstacle avoidance. So you're going to press the button here. It's going to avoid obstacles. Now, this button here is for auto landing. So when you're ready to land, you press here, it comes down. It's got 2 lights in the front and 3 lights on the bottom. Now let's take it outside and fly it around. You can see how steady it is flying up there. You can simply go higher by pressing here. You can see it's taking pictures of the sidewalk. Now once again, to bring it back down, you're simply going to press here. It's easy to pack away and transport anywhere in this case. And there you go, ready to go on vacation or out to the park. It also comes with a couple of extra batteries in here included. You got all the chargers over here. Now, definitely recommend this for anyone who wants a powerful yet easy to use drone.